everyone, we are Group35. This is our group project app redesign present video. In our project, we have chosen the Watson Hong Kong app as our case. It's a shopping platform with over 10,000 products, including healthy, skincare, and personal care. The app is easy to use, allowing customers to browse, search, and view their products quickly. It offers convenient delivery options like home delivery and click and collect, and features real-time order tracking and order history for easy reordering. The app mainly targets two groups. First, healthy conscious customers looking for vitamins, supplements, and wellness products. Second, beauty lovers, especially women, who shop for skincare and cosmetics like lipstick, foundation, and eyeshadow. These customers often come back for their beauty essentials. The Western Hong Kong app has five distinct problems. First, the navigation is at the bottom of the home page, and users have to return to there to access other sessions. And you can see that in other page, there is no any navigation bar. And the app and subtract buttons are too small, making them hard to press, especially for users with smaller phones or fingers. And also, they lack color, so users might miss them. And delete item from the cart is too complicated. Users need to click edit and then select the product and then click delete. This adds unnecessary steps and can be confusing for the new users. On the checkout page, product details and subtotals are missing. Users have to click View All for more information, which could be shown directly on the page. Finally, changing the delivery address involves too many steps, and the edit button is hard to notice due to the east color blending with the background.
About the user research, we improve the user experience of the Watson Hong Kong app. We conduct the user interviews with diverse groups, including health-focused customers, cosmetic users, and people with disabilities, and distributed surveys with multiple choice and rating questions to gather insights on their needs. And then we find five improved issues according to their feedback. The first is clean navigations. The second is larger add and subtract buttons. The third is direct delete buttons in shopping carts. The fourth is the product information on checkout pages. The fifth is a simplified checkout information update. So we will design the application user interface to make it better. First, we add a clean button navigation bar that spans across all pages. Make it easier for users to quickly access important features such as categories, graphics, and shopping carts throughout the entire app. We also increase the size of the add and subtract buttons to improve usability, ensuring that easier to click for all users, including these with accessibility needs. In the shopping cart, we introduce the delete buttons for each item, allowing users to remove unwanted products directly without navigating away from the page. On the checkout page, we now display more product details, such as the names, price, quantities, and subtotals. Make it easier for users to review their orders before financing the purchase. Finally, we simplify the process of updating the delivery address by allowing users to edit it directly on the checkout page, eliminating the need to go through multiple steps or pages. Next, I will pass my groupmates to demo the app.
Welcome to my demonstration of our redesigned Watson's Online Shop app here, and I will show you how to purchase an item in our app. So maybe we can just get started by clicking on the login button, and by clicking the login button, normally we will be required to enter our account name and maybe some password and some other verification stuff, but this is just a prototype, we don't need it. So here we got the navigation bar for us to navigate between pages, and to search items we can just click on the scope, and assume we just finished searching and we got the two items here. And if we want to add this item into our shopping bag, we can just click on this shopping cart button here, and yeah, we can adjust the quantity and close. Maybe if we don't like it, we can just close it. But we want to add it into the bag. And after add into the bag, we can see there's we can choose different delivery method here, and maybe we can adjust the quantity again here, and maybe delete the items we just chose. So let's move on. This is our checkout page. If we want to adjust our home delivery address, we can just expand the box by just clicking on this down arrow button, and we can just directly change our home address. And if all is done, we can just click this button again to collapse the box, and the information will be updated and show again here. And if all is done, then we can just click checkout here, and the purchase will be successfully done. After the purchase, maybe we can back to the category page to shopping to continue our shopping, or maybe we can just end by closing the app. And this is the end of our demonstration. Thank you.
Next, I will introduce our accessibility design, which helps people with disability use our app more easily. We focused on users with hand disability and colorblind users. First, Easy Mode. Large buttons for easier navigation. Turning on Easy Mode makes all the buttons large. This helps people with hand disability, like those with large fingers or those who use their arms to control their phones. Second, voice input allows users to speak instead of typing. For users who cannot type easily, we add a voice input feature. They can speak to input text, which is faster and more convenient. Third, customizable appearance. Colorblind friendly mode for better visibility. We created a colorblind friendly mode. Users can change the app's color scheme to make it easier for them to see and use. Next, I will show you our accessible design demonstration. First, type Easy Mode. You will see that all buttons become large and easier to type. Next, tap Search. This will show the voice input feature, where user can speak instead of typing. Then, return to the home page, tap Setting, and select Color Blind Friendly Mode. You will see that the entire color schemes change to be more accessible for color blind users.
The results of the usability testing. The test conducted with 5 PoU students. We tested 5 key functions of the app. Let's go through each tested function. First, we tested the checkout function with bigger buttons. User completed test in just 7.9 seconds on average, with perfect satisfaction scores of 5 out of 5. Next, we tested the checkout process considering red-green car buyers' accessibility. While this took at 10.5 seconds on average, users still rated it 5 out of 5 for satisfaction. It is showing our accessibility features are working well. The third test function is adding 4 items to my bag. User completed it in 7.2 seconds on average, again with perfect satisfaction scores. Our navigation bar testing showed impressive results, with a 7.2 second completion time on average and 5 out of 5 satisfaction rating, indicating intuitive navigation design. Finally, the Adjust Edit function, with user completing this in 3.4 seconds on average and giving it full marks for satisfaction. In conclusion, all 5 functions have a perfect user satisfaction scores of 5 out of 5, with consistently fast completion time. This result showing that our design is both user-friendly and efficient.